So next question we have is question number 17, and it says group A consists of 7 boys and 3 girls, while group B consists of 6 boys and 4 girls. The number of ways 4 boys and 4 girls can be invited for a picnic if 5 of them must be from group A and remaining 3 from the group B is equal to. Let's see how the problem goes, right? So there are two groups, no? Group A is there and group B is there. The condition is what? From group A we have to select how many? 5, and from group B we have to select how many? Rest of 3, because 4 boys and 4 girls we have to select. Now how many girls and boys do we have in this group? 3 girls in the group A and 7 boys in the same group A. Again group B we have 4 girls and 6 boys. 4 girls and 6 boys. Now find the number of ways we can find, right? So first of all, the case 1 I am forming is case 1. Case 1 will be what? Let's select all the 3 girls from this group. So if I select all the 3 girls from this group, this is 3 girls, and to complete 5 I have to select how many boys? 2 boys. Same, since 3 girl is already selected, so 1 girl will be selected from here, and 2 boys is there, so we will select what? How many boys? 2 boys from here. Then reduce the number by 1. Reduce the number by 1, it will become 2 girls, and now since 2 girls selected, so to complete the number 5 we have to what? 3 boys here. 2 girls selected, so from here I have to select the 2 girls, and 3 boys selected, so 1 boy. Now case number 3rd, keep on reducing this part, only the first part. 3 girls, 2 girls and then 1 girl. Since 1 girl is selected, to complete the number 5, how many boys I need? 4 boys. And 1 girl is selected, so to complete 4 girls, 3 girls selected from here, and 4 boys is already selected, so no boy will be selected from this. So these are the number of cases. Case number 1, case number 2 and case number 3. Now this could be written as what? This is 3C3, 7C2, this is 4C1, 7C2, 3C3, 4C1 and 6C2. This is the case 1, plus the case 2 is what? 3C2, 7C3, then 4C2 and 6C1. Then case number 3rd, 3C1, then 7C4 and 4C3 and 6C0, right? Now simple formula of NCR we have to apply, which is nothing but n factorial n minus r factorial divided by r factorial, right? So when we calculate this by that formula, since I have already done the calculation, this answer finally comes as 8925. 8925 will be the final answer. 8925. Correct? So this is the answer for this question.